plushie. Holy shoot, I just got my plushie. Look, it's little Joey and big Joey. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm about to show the whole community this. Hold up. Guys, I'm tagged. I'm tagged with the tag lava monkey plushie. Hello. 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 Hi.
Lachlan, that's the guy.
This dude is
Happy math time.
Hello, bro.
Oh my gosh.
That's Lachlan.
You're not married.
Oh, it's like you, bro.
But they
It's like
added
you, bro.
Lachlan into the
It's like you,
item
bro.
shop with
What are you doing?
Hi.
When they were both
Oh,
introduced.
damn. I didn't know you shoved keys up your butt. Nah. I'm tagged with a tag monkey plushie. I am tagged with a tag monkey plushie.
This game makes me laugh.
Of course.
Oh, Greg, can you just get tagged?
Okay, so
I
then
get it. You're good.
apparently Loser Fruit isn't a pro.
Oh
No,
my
this
god.
isn't a pro.
Whatever. I might die tomorrow, so just leave me alone.
Alright. Bro,
I might
Greg,
die tomorrow,
you're just
Messiah.
teleporting at this point.
The awesomest one.
This dude is even more wonky than my Gorilla Tag Back to School plushie. This dude's even more wonky than my Back to School plushie.
Guys, there's gonna be an
Yankee is
ES4
trash.
tornado coming my way.
Oh my god.
I wish you going, guys.
Scared the crap out of my game.
I'm gonna roast y'all. Come on, folks.
I got my plushie. Let's go.
6-year-old is gonna pull out some yo mama jokes.
Okay.
Well, 6-year-old is gonna pull out some yo mama jokes.
Now,
What was funny about that?
Well, exactly. What was funny?
No, bro.
Wait, what? Whoa.
Bro. Bro, right?
15 hours? Holy shoot. This thing's changing in 15 hours?
Bro,
I did not know that. And this one's changing to 14 hours. Guys, we gotta have this live,
no one
bro.
thinks you're funny, bud.
Now, this is a piece of nether versus flip, bro. That's nether versus flip, bro.
Help me! I can't even get out. I can't get out because
I'm tagged with a tag monkey plushie.
I'm gonna go murder someone.
No, somebody's out in here.
Who wants to be killed? Hi, little bro.
Bro said he didn't care, but I'll let this guy. Here, check me.
Dang, he really wanted to be killed.
Oh my god. Hi.
So everybody in this whole server, start building with the new. Gimme.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
That's mine.
Peanut butter.
Hey, why are you crying?
Peanut butter.
Don't. Why are you crying?
Peanut butter.
not crying.
Helicopter.
You know there's even more lava monkey.
Oh my god.
JT09?
It's fine.
Now you're the chosen one.
Oh.
He wants
Oh no, I'm running.
I'm running, but run, but the lava monkeys are coming, but the lava monkeys are coming, but y'all gotta get up here.
Oh, I can't. Well, I'm gonna get.
Hi.
Oh.
Gay. I said that dude's gay.
Oh, dude, oh my god.
Oh, he's a guy.
No.
Stop screaming!
It's
Ah! What are you doing?
Between the legs.
Are you sad?
Stand right there.
No.
His name is D-Wade. Get dunked up. Hey, buddy, D-Wade. Between the legs. And his name is D-Wade. You better see him.
Who said I could?
Oh, whoa. Too little.
Yeah, my
One little boy.
How you doing with your brain?
I
What happened to me? Hey, I'm not even holding on. Magic. Magic.
Party hat. Do you know you're wearing the green girly
Hey
hat?
guys, I glitched out a block.
Make sure no little person's in this house.
No.
You know I'm crazy. You know I care.
Make sure no little person in this house.
Get up there.
Anybody in here? Guys,
Hey,
help
you need
me.
some beds. You need some.
Help me.
Some beds.
Guys, I'm magic.
Yep, I'm leaving this game. I mean, I'm
Trust
leaving
me,
the
I'm
server.
not using mods. I'm not using mods.
Buddy, what?
There's nothing.
You stop